Beneath miles of ice, hidden from the eyes of the world, lies a land that has not seen the sun in millions of years. A world of mountains taller than any on Earth's surface, rivers that flow beneath kilometers of ice, and lakes sealed off from humanity since the dawn of time. Antarctica is not just a frozen wasteland. It is the planet's ultimate vault of secrets, and what lies beneath could rewrite history. Imagine a continent where the surface is unbroken ice, stretching endlessly into the horizon. Winds howl across snow plains, temperatures plunge well below -50 degrees Celsius, and isolation is absolute. To the casual observer, Antarctica is inhospitable, lifeless, and unremarkable. But scientists and explorers who dare to probe beneath the ice have uncovered a hidden world of astonishing complexity, full of mysteries humanity is only beginning to comprehend. Antarctica is a continent locked beneath an ice sheet averaging 1.9 kilometers thick, covering mountains, valleys, and even volcanoes. But beneath this frozen shell exists an environment of profound significance. Subglacial lakes, such as Lake Vostok and Lake Whillans, remain isolated for millions of years. These lakes may harbor microbial life, completely independent of sunlight, evolving in extreme conditions. Buried mountain ranges, some higher than the Alps, create landscapes previously unseen by human eyes. Ancient river valleys and canyons, preserved under ice, tell stories of a time when Antarctica was warm, lush, and teeming with life. Every radar scan and ice core drilled offers glimpses into this hidden world, hinting at a complex, dynamic, and alien-like ecosystem beneath the surface. Millions of years ago, Antarctica was not a frozen desert. Fossilized remains reveal forests with ferns, conifers, and flowering plants, suggesting a climate far warmer than today. Dinosaurs, ancient mammals, and insects, evidence of thriving ecosystems long before the ice encased the land. Geological records of shifting continents, including Antarctica's role as part of Gondwana, connected to South America, Africa, India, and Australia. These fossils and ancient soils provide crucial insight into Earth's evolutionary history. They tell us that Antarctica was once vibrant, hosting life forms that adapted to dramatic climate shifts, and now lies dormant, preserved in ice. The continent's lakes are among its most compelling secrets. Lake Vostok, buried under 4 kilometers of ice, is one of the largest subglacial lakes on Earth. It has been sealed from the atmosphere for millions of years. Extremophile microbes discovered in samples hint at life that survives without sunlight, in complete darkness, high pressure, and extreme cold. Scientists believe studying these organisms could reveal how life might exist on other planets or icy moons, such as Europa or Enceladus. Accessing these lakes requires cutting-edge technology and extreme precautions to prevent contamination of these pristine ecosystems. Subglacial lakes are more than a scientific curiosity. They are windows into life's adaptability and resilience, offering clues about Earth's past and the potential for life beyond it. Beneath the ice, Antarctica is not static. Active volcanoes, such as Mount Erebus, release heat that melts surrounding ice, creating rivers and channels beneath the frozen surface. Subglacial rivers flow silently, carving valleys and transporting nutrients, sustaining isolated ecosystems. Tectonic activity shapes the land, hinting at a continent that is alive, dynamic, and far more complex than a simple ice sheet. These hidden processes affect global sea levels, climate patterns, and even the future of ice sheet stability. Antarctica is a key player in Earth's environmental system, yet most of its secrets remain buried. The continent beneath the ice holds answers to some of the world's most pressing questions. Climate history. Ice cores record changes over hundreds of thousands of years, helping scientists predict future climate shifts. Life in extreme conditions. Studying microbes beneath the ice may guide research in astrobiology and medicine. Earth's evolution. Buried mountains, valleys, and fossils provide insights into tectonics, paleoclimate, and biodiversity. Antarctica is not just a frozen wilderness. It is a time capsule, a laboratory, and a frontier of discovery. Every layer of ice tells a story, and every hidden valley could reshape our understanding of the planet. Beneath the icy crust of Antarctica lies a world frozen in time, a realm where rivers carve valleys in silence, and lakes have been sealed off for millions of years. This is not just frozen water. It is a vault of life, history, and secrets humanity is only beginning to uncover. The surface of Antarctica is deceptive. From above, it appears as a stark, lifeless desert. Yet beneath this frozen expanse, satellites and radar technology reveal a hidden continent of astonishing complexity. Mountains rise beneath kilometers of ice. Rivers flow beneath sheets that are impervious to sunlight. Ancient valleys, buried for millions of years, whisper of a time when Antarctica was lush, warm, and alive. Among the most compelling discoveries are Antarctica's subglacial lakes, sealed off from the outside world for millennia. Lake Vostok, one of the largest, lies beneath 4 kilometers of ice, spanning over 250 kilometers in length. Scientists have discovered microbial life that has survived complete isolation from the surface. These organisms are living relics of ancient Earth, adapted to extreme cold, total darkness, and high pressure. Lake Whillans and Lake Mercer are smaller, yet equally fascinating. They contain microorganisms that survive on nutrients supplied by the rocky floor and meltwater channels beneath the ice. Each lake represents a natural laboratory for astrobiology, helping scientists imagine how life might persist on icy moons like Europa or distant exoplanets. These hidden waters are alive, not dormant. Though cut off from sunlight and air, they harbor life forms that defy conventional expectations, showing that life can endure even in the most extreme conditions. Beneath the ice lies a continent reshaped by time, tectonics, and climate. Mountain ranges, some taller than the Alps, are completely hidden beneath kilometers of ice. They reveal that Antarctica's landscape is far more dramatic than its frozen surface suggests. Subglacial valleys and canyons suggest that rivers once flowed freely before the ice sheet formed. Some may still exist today, flowing silently beneath the frozen crust. Volcanic activity under the ice creates hotspots, melting localized areas and forming pockets of liquid water that sustain microbial life. These hidden landscapes help scientists reconstruct Antarctica's past, including periods when the continent was temperate, forested, and rich with life. Geological clues buried beneath the ice offer insight into the movement of tectonic plates, the breakup of Gondwana, and the planet's ancient climate. While mainstream science focuses on geological and biological discoveries, some theorists have speculated about what might lie beneath Antarctica beyond natural formations. Some fringe theories suggest that ancient civilizations could have existed during warmer periods millions of years ago, leaving traces buried under ice. Reports of anomalous formations in satellite imagery, unusually geometric structures or unexplained shapes, fuel speculation about forgotten cities or bases hidden beneath the ice. Though no definitive evidence exists, Antarctica's isolation and the extreme difficulty of exploration mean that much remains unknown, leaving room for mystery, imagination, and discovery. Even if these theories are speculative, they underscore one fact. Antarctica is a continent largely untouched by humans, and its secrets remain largely inaccessible. Antarctica's ice sheets are not just barriers. They are time capsules, preserving records of climate, atmospheric conditions, and life spanning millions of years. Ice cores provide layers of snow and ice that record ancient carbon dioxide levels, volcanic eruptions, and temperature shifts, offering unparalleled insight into climate change. Fossilized pollen, ancient soils, and embedded microorganisms tell us that Antarctica once harbored forests and complex ecosystems. By studying these clues, scientists reconstruct a picture of a planet in flux, where continents drifted, climates shifted, and life adapted in extreme ways. The frozen continent acts as a mirror reflecting both the past and the potential future, warning humanity of the fragility of ecosystems while inspiring awe at Earth's resilience. Exploring what lies beneath Antarctica is not merely academic curiosity. It has profound implications. 1. Climate science. Understanding past glacial cycles helps predict future sea level rise. 2. Astrobiology. Life in extreme environments expands our understanding of life beyond Earth. 3. Geology. Hidden formations reveal how continents move, collide, and transform over millions of years. 4. History and mystery. Even untouched, unexplored areas could hold artifacts or clues to Earth's forgotten history. The continent beneath the ice is a silent witness to millions of years of Earth's evolution, waiting for humans to carefully uncover its secrets. Antarctica is more than ice. It is a landscape frozen in time, hiding secrets that have never felt the warmth of the sun, rivers that flow silently beneath kilometers of ice, and mysteries that challenge everything we thought we knew about our planet. Beneath its surface, a world untouched, unseen, and unexplained awaits. For decades, scientists have mapped Antarctica with satellite imaging, ground-penetrating radar, and ice-penetrating sonar, revealing landscapes no human has walked. Beneath the ice lie valleys, mountains, lakes, and rivers, all forming a continent vastly different from the one visible above. Yet with every discovery, new questions arise. What else lies buried beneath the ice, waiting to rewrite our understanding of Earth? One of Antarctica's most astounding features is the network of hidden valleys and rivers. The Willand's ice stream channels water beneath the ice sheet, creating subglacial flows that transport nutrients and support microbial ecosystems. Ancient valleys, some stretching hundreds of kilometers, suggest that liquid water once carved a complex drainage system, long before the continent froze. These valleys are frozen time capsules, preserving sediments, fossils, and microbial life untouched for millions of years. The existence of these rivers challenges the assumption that Antarctica is lifeless beneath its ice. Instead, it hints at a living, breathing ecosystem operating in darkness, isolated from the surface world. While scientists have confirmed the existence of over 400 subglacial lakes, some remain completely unexplored. Lake Mercer and Lake Ellsworth are smaller than Vostok but equally mysterious, sealed off from human activity for millions of years. Drilling into these lakes requires extreme precision, as even minor contamination could destroy their fragile ecosystems. Microbes discovered in these lakes are unlike anything found elsewhere, evolving independently in extreme cold, high pressure, and darkness. These isolated habitats provide a window into life's adaptability, and some scientists speculate they may hold clues about life beyond Earth, from frozen moons to distant planets. Antarctica's isolation and extreme environment have fueled both scientific and speculative theories. Some theorists speculate that ancient civilizations could have existed in Antarctica during periods when the continent was temperate and forested. Satellite images have revealed unusual formations, sometimes geometric, that spark debates about natural versus artificial structures. While no verified evidence exists, these anomalies keep the mystery alive, prompting scientists to continue exploring even the most remote and dangerous regions. Antarctica remains largely unexplored, with only a fraction of its subglacial world mapped. Every new expedition uncovers features that were previously invisible to human eyes, highlighting how much remains unknown. Beneath Antarctica's ice lies an archive of Earth's ancient climate and geological history. Ice cores reveal cycles of glaciation, volcanic eruptions, and changes in greenhouse gases over hundreds of thousands of years. Fossilized pollen, soils, and microbial life provide insight into the continent's warm periods, when forests and rivers existed where ice now dominates. Hidden mountains, ridges, and fault lines reveal tectonic movements dating back millions of years, shaping the planet's continents and oceans. Every discovery beneath the ice informs scientists not just about Antarctica, but about Earth's climate system, evolution of life, and the planet's dynamic history. Understanding Antarctica's secrets is vital for 1. Climate predictions. Ice cores and hidden water flows help model future sea level rise and global climate shifts. 2. Astrobiology. Life in extreme isolation provides analogs for extraterrestrial environments. 3. Earth's evolution. Subglacial landscapes reveal how continents move and change over millions of years. 4. Scientific curiosity. Antarctica pushes the limits of human exploration and challenges what we think is possible. The frozen continent is more than a wilderness. It is a laboratory, a library of Earth's history, and a challenge to human ingenuity. Antarctica is the last frontier on Earth, a frozen world that guards its secrets beneath miles of ice. Rivers flow unseen, lakes have been sealed for millions of years, and landscapes untouched by humans preserve stories older than civilization itself. What lies beneath could reshape our understanding of life, history, and the planet itself. Antarctica continues to challenge human expectations. Unusual formations detected via satellite imagery have sparked speculation. Some resemble geometric shapes, isolated structures, or even vast plateaus concealed beneath the ice. While many scientists attribute them to natural processes, their precise origins remain unknown. Hidden heat sources, volcanic activity, and subglacial rivers interact to create dynamic environments beneath the frozen surface that are still largely unexplored. Some remote valleys remain completely unmapped, potentially harboring ecosystems that have never seen sunlight or human contact. These anomalies remind us that Antarctica is not a static, frozen desert, but a living, changing, and mysterious continent. Beneath the ice, life thrives where we least expect it. Microbes in subglacial lakes and rivers survive in total darkness, high pressure, and extreme cold. They utilize nutrients from rocks and ice, evolving independently for millions of years. Scientists speculate that complex, multicellular organisms might exist in unexplored areas, such as deep lakes or geothermal zones. These ecosystems are Earth's last untouched laboratories, offering clues to survival in extreme environments and potentially even extraterrestrial analogs. Every expedition into these hidden ecosystems expands our understanding of life's resilience and adaptability. Studying subglacial lakes, microbial life, and geological features pushes technology and human ingenuity to the limit. 2. Climate insight. Ice cores and hidden water systems reveal Earth's past climate and inform predictions for its future. 3. Search for life. Life in isolation provides analogs for extraterrestrial environments, inspiring astrobiology and innovation. 4. Mystery and imagination. Antarctica remains largely unexplored, a reminder that our planet still holds secrets beyond the reach of human eyes. It is the ultimate reminder that the world's most important discoveries are often hidden beneath layers we cannot see, waiting for courage, patience, and curiosity to uncover them. Antarctica captures the imagination because it represents both the fragility and resilience of life. Fragile ecosystems persist in extreme isolation. Evidence of ancient life is frozen, yet preserved perfectly for millions of years. Human curiosity drives exploration, while the ice guards secrets beyond our current reach. It is a continent that challenges our understanding of what is possible, urging humanity to look deeper, think bolder, and respect the unknown. If you want to uncover the ultimate secrets beneath Antarctica, the hidden lakes, untouched ecosystems, and mysteries frozen for millions of years, subscribe to Empire Mindset. Join us on this journey into the unknown, step beneath the ice, and witness the continent that holds Earth's last untold stories. Will you discover what the world has never seen?